We'll have a brief discussion on ISO 9001 2015 standard and go over the clauses briefly and give an explanation and give highlights to explain some of the clauses and their meaning and how you can interpret them and how you can implement them and how you can audit them, what kind of objective evidence you can or should look for. Scope. Let's see what the scope talks about. So quality management systems requirement scope. This international standard specifies requirement for a quality management system when an organization needs to demonstrate its ability to consistently provide products and services that meets customers and applicable statutory and regulatory requirements and aims to enhance customer satisfaction through the effective application of the system, including processes for improvement of the system and assurance of conformity to customer and applicable statutory and regulatory requirement. All requirements of this international standard are generic and are intended to be applicable to any organization regardless of its type or size or the products and services it provides. So this is the scope of the standard. So these standard specifies requirement for an organization to manage its system, to manage its quality, to be able to offer the products and services that meets statutory and regulatory requirements and customer requirement offers product to satisfy and delight the customer. So this is the scope of the standard and it's a generic standard. It can be applied for any type of organization, any size of organization, any complexity of organization. It could be a virtual organization, for example, LinkedIn, for example, Facebook. These are predominantly a virtual organization. They live in the cloud. At the same time, physical organization. A barber shop can be certified. A huge factory like automobile company producing cars can be certified. A training organization like TCB can be certified. A contracting company, a well and gas company, a grocery shop. So any type of organization can apply quality management system. That's the scope of the standard. So out of 10 element structure of ISO 9001, clause number 1 is scope.